So you think you were right? Bring it on, prove me wrong.
So this is the company that we'll be working with today, Beauart 100% Remy human hair wigs. This is the way their hair is packaged. You've seen here at the back where they have all the hair care instructions and their logo and all that good ink. By the way, shout out to Beauart for sponsoring this video. So let's see what's inside the packaging. Okay, so the first thing I see is a wig cap. I also have their information card in the package, and of course the wig. Now this is the way the wig is packaged. You know, from me say this, you know that it is, yes, a headband wig. So let's see. The Velcro strap seems nice and sturdy, and it is a standard cap construction. Well, almost a standard cap construction, because the first thing I noticed by looking at it is I'm not seeing any adjustable straps, but it does have four combs actually, three at the top, one at the back, plus the Velcro strap. So let's just pop this on. So today, before I get started, I'm actually going to do a detailed install of the headband wig, because I really haven't done one on my channel as yet. I mean, I show you how I normally install, but I haven't go in detail for someone who is actually popping on here and it's the first time being introduced to a wig. So let's just pop this on. So I am actually going to push back my cap a little further because I want my edges and this front portion of my hair to show. So I'm going to take the combs and I am just going to put that into my hair. And I'm going to be using all four combs today. So that's the front. And then you take the side comb as well. And then the next side comb. And you would do the back as well. And then you would just use the Velcro strap to adjust it to however tight you want the hair to be. And then you would basically just adjust the band of the headband wig. However, you just basically adjust the band of the headband wig to how far you want it to be, like to how many edges you want to be showed. So that's the amount I want to be showing. So this is actually a 14-inch, I think. I think it's a 16-inch actually. Yes, a 16-inch, and this is where it catches me, as you can see. So I didn't do any shed check earlier, but I'm just going to do now. I'm not getting any shedding. Oh, actually I got one strand, a few strands actually. I'm basically going to brush the hair out with my hairbrush, and get my flat iron to make this hair bone straight, like, you know, bone straight, yes. And then I'll come back and I'll talk about the pros and the cons of getting this wig.
Be the best damn lover you got. I wanna mess up your covers. I don't wanna meet your mother. Never ever ask me how I've been. Remember while you have my number. I'm the best thing that has ever happened to you. Here's your time to shine. Now show me what you can do. The way my hands feel on your body. Dancing in the dark. With every move I make, you're falling.
This hair, it takes the heat so good. Like, I flat iron this hair at 450 degrees, and look at that, everything is laid. Guys, forgive the rooster in the background that you're hearing. This hair is gorgeous. The quality of the hair is bomb. And you can get this for like $70 on Amazon Prime. I'll be sure to leave everything for this specific wig down below in the description box. Now, let's talk about the pros and the cons. One of the things that I don't like about this wig is the fact that it doesn't have an adjustable straps, and that is simply because of my likes, because I like when my wigs have adjustable straps, simply because I love using the adjustable straps. But feeling the grip that I get from both the combs and the velcro strap from the wig, it is amazing. I don't feel like it's going anywhere, like I'm dragging it and it's not going anywhere. But yeah, another con that I don't like about this wig is the fact that it didn't came with any headband. Like, Beauart, what's up with that? I would love if it had came with that. Like, if you are that person that is looking for a headband wig and you want a headband to come with it, well, honey, I don't think I didn't get it with a headband wig. I don't know if it was an error. I'll have to reach out back to them and try and confirm that, and I'll probably leave a comment down below in the comment section. But apart from that, those are the only cons that I have with the wig. No, the fact that it's human hair, I'm expecting it to last me a good year or two, depending on how you carry your wig, sis. Like, yeah. But this wig is gorgeous. I do have this headband wig, and I do have this headband, and I actually like this headband. It came with my previous headband wig that I got from Beauty. So if you haven't checked out that video, I'll make sure to leave it right here. So I'm just going to show you how gorgeous it would be with a headband if it had came with a headband. But I didn't get it with a headband, so I'm not sure if it was in packaging. Guys, you know I'm all for a headband wig, but like this headband is gorgeous. The only thing I didn't like with it is the fact that it didn't came with a headband and the fact that it doesn't have adjustable straps. If you don't have a problem with that, sis, then you can go ahead and get this wig. Like, look at that body. Like, I adore it. Like, again, I'll make sure to leave everything down below in the description box if you are interested in getting this wig. Until then, it's your girl Ollie, and I'll see you in my next video, sis. Go and big up yourself.